Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add tag field in your contact forms in WordPress. So let's get started with this video. We are using Formidable Forms plugin to create our contact form. So before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Forms plugin. Now to configure this plugin, all you need to do is click on this Formidable tab here in the sidebar. You can see here this is the Formidable Forms window. We will create a new form. So to do that, let's click on Add New. Here in the pop-up, select the form template first. I will select blank template. Now you need to give your form a title and then click on Create. Now this is the form builder area, and on the left you can see various fields here. You will find tags field under advanced fields. Simply drag and drop the field to the builder area. Once done, clicking on it will display its settings. Here you can edit the field label, make this field mandatory. Expanding the advanced settings will display more related settings which you can explore on your own. Now, once everything is in place, simply click on Update button and the changes will be updated. Now, let's preview the form. You can see this is how easy it is to add tags field in your contact forms in WordPress using Formidable Forms plugin. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.